Good afternoon, everybody. This is Get Wisdom, Not Money. Never give up. Well, it took me 10 years of deep research, night and day, in order to finish this book. It was so great to work using the platforms of those who succeed in life. In order to succeed in life, we must learn with those who are in the top of success. Said Isaac kneeled in memory. If I'm now here in this position, is because I was standing in the shoulder of a giant. Everyone, in order to succeed, it is necessary to know, to learn with somebody, somewhere. Well, the learning is a process. Nowadays, we are living in this age of AI, this age of internet. Wherever you are, you can learn with somebody. This age, it is fruitful, and you can be whatever you want to be. Well, get up for you where you are and be the mark of greatness, and you will represent idea, possibility around the world. Well, along the way, I found out during 10 years that the idea creates things. The things we can see here, the buildings, the ship, the telephone, the airplane industry, everything starts from small idea. Somebody thought about to create something. If you create something, if you have one idea, small like a mustard seed, you will eventually one day succeed in life. See the story of great inventors in the universe. They start small, and along the way they grow big. Don't start big, start small, and you will find result, outcomes come into reality. The world, the universe need you to represent something and to help other people. People are waiting for you. Only you can give birth to your imaginary project. Thank you very much. Thank you. See you.